Question 11. Cormac has some sweets in a bag. The sweets are lime flavoured or strawberry flavoured or orange flavoured. In the bag, the number of lime flavoured sweets to the number of strawberry flavoured sweets to the number of orange flavoured sweets is 9 to 4 to X. Cormac is going to take a random sweet from the bag. The probability that he takes a lime flavoured sweet is 3/7. Work out the value of X. Okay, so we've got lime to strawberry to orange in the ratio 9 to 4 to 2. And we know that the probability of a lime was 3/7. These ratios need to stay in proportion. So to get from 9 to 3/7, we've had to divide by 21. And the same works for the probability now of strawberries. The probability will be 4 divided by 21. And the probability for the number of oranges will be X over 21. Given that this is now the ratio of probabilities, then the sum of these probabilities should equal 1. And so 9 over 21 plus 4 over 21 plus X over 21 should equal 21 over 21. And so 9 plus 4 plus X must equal 21. Given this is the case, then X must equal 8. And that's my answer.